via Kamal Kanur online TV channel kajan gwas me ban lera me ban jeling lera ban ling chala do te ke nei te shi murleni shikan kamak shi ko kien shikan kamach ka chikana chikan kanak shikan murleni nak re widian ka great people administrative area jenda na balinga jan gwas me ngai kono no murleni ka ngani japa ka ngani tillet kan kare wi ka South Sudan ngulet kanama no agenda no balinga jan gwasme mi jiram jidit kan or online TV channel gore jan o jende jan yo nasan ko ken ko de lerdi tide kan chamala shu gwasne tin gor kon ken o de koten reiler kan me bana jalat ka tok nat kenyam ka kore bana jowling ka tok english ka do badanen chicken report me chicken non ka ja alar me inshallah ka media nyang South Sudan na jan goro no beje nyaga yekel ko ngai kona gwano murleni malet kan rewi ka South Sudan yare jan tel melet kan medin me de ngajano ikane let kan tigo tel mu gam let kana so ko kujuma goro jano ba na me beje nyaga yekel wana kana me gwaso me inshallah no chaok li chop ke kin diok chaga pech kanam kel mishanak kumurleni ke gumru kanti raje me ladaken karojen shalat no shawich murleni mak ka chaok li chop ke kin diok chaka chaga pech ka chaga nagram kel ko kor gwasan paiwo ke jibon tungwan rewedian ka greater people administrative area wajaba lad murleni jango netin chao kin wo pech e ka ngwan ti jere wich ka jongle kan ngwan to jen kan ka duk kanti jena ka duk ka yuai ka yut chi greater nanam wajaba nanam village ke bich village ala wedian ngan jaba ka mau village kana ram ka teten ka weekend ka che kana iti ngwan lung kana sha kanak ka changa kel ka pa de kron kin dangro jan dangro de che kana sha kanak long ji ka roje me ji kana kwen ka do budan na chi kan lat ka jangai kona gwa no murlen ka ngan tilet kan ka ngore wi ka South Sudan no ban jeling kumunan chi kan lat gwa sama. A senior official in the Greater People Administrative Area said a headsman was killed and 2 people injured, while 3,008 of cattle were raided in an attack by army asylum in Gumru County on Monday. These were cattle which the Murle themselves also took from others, South Sudanese. Speaking on Thursday evening, Peter Ajany Kamoi, the Greater People Administrative Area local government minister, said the tension were still high as the attacking youth suspected to be from Jonglei State withdraw to their borders. Last week we report that there was an attack by youths who had mobilized themselves in Jonglei State area of Duk, Yuai and Ayut stated. Following the arrival of this army youth group in our territories on 28 February and subsequent attack on Greater Panam village and Bidbich, Mau and Ram, an unspecified number of people were killed and cattle raided on 1st March. Ajany added on 3rd March, the same group moved to the Greater Gumruk village of Vuvut, attacking it, killing the 8th man, injuring 2 others, including a girl, while 3,000 cows were made away. They also attacked base of road construction company near Manyabol town, destroying equipment therein. The government minister condemned the attack. Tensions are high because we believe these attackers are still around Bidbich. He said, as a government, we condemn this attack and call for restraint. However, Jonglei State Local Government Minister Simon Oddol said they were unaware of the attack and expressed commitment to peacefully coexisting with neighbor. We did not receive this report from our commissioners. However, criminals from Greater People Administrative Area have been disturbing our 8 counties except for Fangak because it's cut off by the flood, he said. So if there are youths who went there to steal, this is wrong and it will affect the peace we are trying to build. Of course, the Murle criminals should also be blamed for their criminal act based on the constant attack on the elder in Jonglei. For his part, Bol Dengbol, a Bor-based civil society activist and executive director of Interpit, South Sudan say the renewed intercommunal violence among communities of Greater Jonglei was a setback to fought to restore peace. Of course, the Morley Greater People Administrative Area criminals should be blamed for all these attacks, for all these incidents. This incident were waged by the Morley criminals themselves, and that the government of Greater People Administrative Area failed to control. This is a setback to peace deal we have been pushing for. This is so disappointing to us. He stated there is a need for condemnation of this and a strict follow-up of resolution of past dialogue to avoid relapse. Well, the Greater People Administrative Area criminal use should be blamed for all these outer cities that they always carried out in Jonglei and the surrounding areas. The Morley criminals also been abducting children, raiding cattle and killing innocent people, ambushing people on the roads, and we blames the authorities in Greater People Administrative Area for not controlling these criminals activity that are taking place within the area. Jana chala de kenene me kata dan shiriga me chola lat keje Morley should be blamed kata dan chala keje kata dan nakana keje so jana gorde nyo yekel ani biata kamal bye bye.